Hey everyone, Nick here with the Best Buy blog. You just heard the Korg Liano, an 88-note digital keyboard that's very compact and lightweight. It's very compact, its height is only 7 centimeters and is very impressive when you actually see it in person. Being a lightweight keyboard, it actually has a lightweight action, and I think Korg did a very good job with this action. So when you're playing an acoustic piano, you usually expect some resistance. An acoustic piano has hammers that hit strings, and you actually feel that in your fingers, and it has some weight to it. Obviously, we won't have that here, but the action is still great. It's a lot of fun to play, and I generally think that Korg did a good job with this action. Now, the keyboard has only 8 sounds, which isn't a lot compared to other models on the market. You get the essentials here, all right? You get 2 acoustic pianos, 2 electric pianos, a harpsichord, you get a pipe organ, an electric organ, and strings. So it's a nice variety of sounds. It's the essentials, but compared to other models, like I said, it's not a lot. Now there's a few buttons on the main panel. There's the volume and the sound selector, and you also have a quick button to turn on or off the reverb and the metronome. If you're familiar with digital keyboards, you know that usually there are secondary functions to the keys. You just hold down a certain button on the main panel and then use the keys to access these options. It's the case here with the Korg. You'll have access to, the metronome parameters. You'll have access to chorus. You can edit the reverb. All these secondary functions are described in the manual, so check that out if you plan on getting this model. The Liano is shipped with a music stand to hold your sheet music, and there's also a rudimentary sustain pedal. Now on the back panel there's an output for headphones, and there's a USB plug. So with the USB plug you can transform this keyboard into a MIDI controller, which is great. If you think that 8 sounds isn't enough, well, there's a quick fix to that, and that's plugging in the keyboard into your computer and using an external sound bank. You'll be able to use the keyboard as a controller for those sounds. It's a great way to expand sounds. Now, there's also a audio interface feature, which is awesome. I love that. It's built in. You won't have to buy a separate product, like a separate audio interface in this case. And that means you'll be able to practice, record, compose while interfacing with your computer and your DAW. It's great. It just accelerates things a lot and makes things very easy. So with this portable keyboard and a laptop, you can compose and practice anywhere you want. It's so lightweight, it's easy to carry. So I think that's it was a great idea to include that feature, that audio interface feature in this model. Now, I've recorded some more sound examples to demonstrate how this keyboard sounds, and here they are. So as you can hear, the integrated sounds in the Korg Liano are of high quality. There is not a lot of sounds, but they are very good, and I think that's a nice selling point in the Liano. Now this model is going to interest a couple of different types of players, mainly beginners and experienced piano and keyboard players that are looking for a backup keyboard that's lightweight and compact. First of all, for beginners, I think this is an interesting model because first of all, it's not the biggest of expenses, and also it's kind of stripped down. Like, it doesn't have a lot of features that will distract you from practicing and learning. I think that's a nice advantage, and eventually you'll be able to plug it into your computer and do some recording and practicing with that. It's going to be quite future-proof because you won't outgrow this type of model anytime soon. Now, it does have a lightweight action, so make sure you talk about that with your teacher. A lot of teachers insist on that heavy action, like I said. It's just like more representative of a real acoustic piano, and it's going to develop your technique accordingly. But still, this action is quite fun to play. There's a lot of learning to be done just on a simple keyboard like that. So maybe if you begin with a model like this with lightweight touch, and eventually you graduate towards a heavier touch, you'll always have this as a backup. Now, for established pianists and keyboard players, this is a very good backup model because it's very lightweight and compact, and the sounds are of a good quality. So you'll be able to use this as a practice or composition tool, or even a tool to give lessons anywhere you go. You can even power this with batteries, so you won't be depending on power sources. So you could actually bring your laptop and this model anywhere you go and just keep working on song ideas, practicing songs you need to learn and stuff like that. So I think that it has a lot of value for the already established players that can carry their very expensive keyboards around with them at all times. Now, if you want more information on the Korg Liano, please go read my full review on Best Buy's blog. My name is Nick. Thank you so much for watching.